Welcome guys, in this video I will show you how you can earn daily 10 to $20 easily from your deriv account with the minimum deposit of 20 to $30. Guys, this video I will show you how you can earn with the accumulator with the volatility of 25 indexes. You see here, I make a trade here a few minutes ago that I trade $15 in front of you, and I have earned $1 easily with the investment of $15. You see here how you can select your investment dollar here. I want to invest here $1 in front of you, so I trade here with the 1% growth rate. You see here I will buy here $1. You see here with every tick you can earn easily minimum dollars. With the investment of $10 you can easily earn $0.1. Here I will sell this here 0.06 USDT I have earned easily. So guys, make your account. I am giving you link in the description of this video, and on the next coming videos I will show you the most beautiful strategy for the deriv accounts. Thank you guys.